So hello everybody, welcome to this important series of constraint motion. So we are dealing with the sixth problem in the constraint motion series, and in the sixth problem of the constraint motion series we are simply using method 2, that is we are sticking to the approach where we are calculating T and A dot product and then obtain the answer rather than again understanding the entire dynamics. So if we start the problem from this end onwards, so we can say that the entire length of the string, for the entire length of the string tension is same. So T, T and T, that is for the entire length of the string tension is same. T and T combine together to become 2T, again 2T and 2T, and then 2T and 2T combine together to become 4T. So this is the tensional analysis which we have done for this entire problem. Now since work done by internal forces is 0, so we can simply perform dot product, that is 4T times A naught, both of them are in the same direction, T and A in the opposite direction minus TA, it is equal to 0, and we can say 4A naught is equal to A. And since we are trying to calculate A naught, so A naught is equal to magnitude of A by 4. So where we have considered that A naught is in the upward direction and A is in the downward direction. So this is the final answer for this particular problem, A by 4. This is the sixth problem in the constraint motion series, and we have only solved this using method 2 approach.